Good day, everyone. I am Narani Sandai from BEd 3, and my assigned topic is about the school as a learning community. But before that, let me read first the objective of this lesson. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to define what is learning community, describe school as a learning community, explain the four characteristics of learning community. So now, what is learning community? A learning community is a group of people who share a common interest in a topic or area or a particular form of discourse about their phenomena, tools, and sense-making approaches for building collaborative knowledge and valued activities. When we say learning community, ito ay binubuo ng diverse people na kung saan merong common goals na gustong ma-attain or maabot. Dito rin sa learning community, merong collaborative or cooperation na nagaganap na kung saan nirerespeto nila ang bawat isa. Matatawag ba na learning community ang school? The answer is yes. Matatawag na learning community ang school dahil ang school ay binubuo ng diverse people. Meaning to say, meron tayong iba't ibang tradition, belief, and religion na sinusunod. We share knowledge sa bawat isa at meron tayong common goals na gustong maabot. Nandito tayo para matuto and at the same time, nire-respeto natin ang pagkakakilanlan ng bawat isa. So, 'di ba sa paaralan or sa isang school, meron tayong tinatawag na goals, vision, and mission na kung saan ina-attain ng school. So, ano ba ang purpose ng school? Ang purpose ng school is para matuto yung mga kabataan or mga student at para maging prepare sila sa kanilang future. Para rin ma-mold yung kanilang skills pagdating sa gusto nilang career in the future. Sa learning community, meron tayong 4 characteristics. Una ay ang sense of belonging. Pangalawa, interdependence or reliance among the member. Pangatlo, trust among member. At ang panghuli, faith or trust in the shared purpose of the community. Let's begin sa sense of belonging. So, as a learning community members, dapat ma-feel natin na belong tayo with that learning community. For example, dito sa school. So, lahat ba tayo ay belong dito? So, yes, lahat tayo ay belong dito dahil tayo ay nag-aaral dito, meron tayong program na tinitake na kung saan makakatulong sa atin to become a better person in the future. Interdependence or reliance among the member. So, hindi ka lang dapat nakarelay sa sarili mo. Dapat nakarelay ka rin sa mga classmate mo, sa professor mo. So, dito sa characteristic na to, ito yung pagkakaroon natin ng ugnayan sa isa't isa. So, we work together to share knowledge and acquire new ideas sa bawat isa. Pangatlong characteristic of the learning community ay ang trust among member. So, isa ito sa major characteristic of the learning community. Bakit? Dahil ito ay ang magsisilbing emotional strength sa isang learning community. For example, dito sa school, dapat meron tayong tiwala sa isa't isa, meron tayong tiwala sa ating classmates, sa ating professor, at meron tayong tiwala sa school na kaya nating ma-attain ang goals natin. The last characteristic of the learning community ay ang faith or trust in the shared purpose of the community. So, dapat meron tayong pananalig at tiwala na kaya nating ma-attain kung ano ang goals natin at kung ano ang purpose ng isang community. So, tinanong ko kayo kanina kung ano nga ba ang purpose ng school. So, di ba, ang purpose ng school is para matuto yung mga kabataan or mga student. At para rin ma-mold yung kanilang skills pagdating sa gusto nilang career in the future. So, dapat meron tayong faith and trust sa isa't isa na kaya nating ma-attain ang purpose or goals ng isang learning community as one.